This Levoit vacuum actually going to be powerful? Is the battery life actually good? And is it going to be something that is worth it or something you might reconsider? Let's talk about a few things you should know before you decide if this vacuum is right for you or not. Now, I've been burned by like 4 other battery-powered vacuums before, so excuse me if I'm a little skeptical, but I wanted to put the Levoit to the test to see for myself if it's any good. And we have giant clumps of hair because we have multiple dogs, multiple cats, so we need a vacuum that's gonna work well with pet hair and not get tangled up. So the Levoit, I can happily say that it does have enough power to work with our actual flooring, hardwood floors, carpets, rugs, and it's a pretty powerful vacuum in terms of battery powered. Very simple to assemble as well. I love how it has the attachment for reaching ceilings and ceiling fans and everything like that. And it's actually really nice to have a cordless option for getting up into high to reach places. The battery life on this, I will say that it is better than other battery powered vacuums that we had before, but I still prefer corded plugged in vacuums for most cases because I just love having that extra power and not having to look at the battery percentage. But as far as battery capacity goes on the Levoit, I'm very impressed. It is probably about twice as long before I had to recharge it compared to the other small electric battery powered vacuums I've used before in the past. And so I'm really happy to report that it did not clog up the bottom bristles. It actually has technology to make sure that those don't get clogged, so you're not going to need to take out the scissors and cut up the hair and all that stuff. Here's what it looks like all put together. I think that it's a very good, lightweight, compact vacuum. It's battery powered, so it's portable. And if you're looking for something that's really good for, an hour's worth of use, this is going to be a great vacuum with lots of accessories. Hope that you enjoy. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.